Hello, Mr. Yaya, I'm saying, is it audible to you? I think it is audible to you. Okay. Uh, See, Mr. Yaya, if you want to learn now, then you have to respond as soon as possible. Suppose if you are not giving any response, so that means what I will think, you are not present mentally. So you have to present mentally and physically as well. So whenever I'm asking, is it done? Is it clear? Have you any doubt? Then you have to reply quickly. Otherwise, what will happen? I will think, yeah, you are very slow in maths, and I don't want to see you a slow person. If you don't get, then let me know, sir. I didn't get that step and did get that question. Okay, so you have learned cos a plus b, cos a minus b, sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Okay, these all are compound angle formula. With these four formula, we are going to derive some formulas that is called transformation. So in this class, we are going to learn transformation. So what the mean of transformation? What the mean of transformation? So transformation is nothing but a object or things transform into one form to another form. Okay, so in this your chapter that is called trigonometry ratio, we have only two types of transformation. First type of transformation is called product into sum. Product into sum मतलब प्रोडक्ट से सम में कन्वर्ट करना, दैट इज वन टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. एंड सेकेंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज sum into product, sum into product, sum into product. So these, we have these two types of transformation. Okay, so first of all we are going to see product into transformation, product into transformation. Okay, so here we know that suppose A and B, let A and B are angles, two types of angles. Then if I have a cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, if we have this kind of angles, compound angles, then we will have 2 cos A into cos B. Okay, so this is called product into sum. This is called product. See, these two things are into product form and these two things are into sum form. So this is called product into sum. Okay, now how it's coming? Let's see how it's coming. Okay, just see here, just open this compound, apply the compound angle formula here. So you will get cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B, first bracket, then plus cos A into cos B minus, here we will have plus sin A into sin B is equal to 2 cos A into cos B. Okay, so these two things will get cancelled, sin A, sin B, and we will have two types of cos A, cos B. So here we get 2 cos A into cos B, that is nothing but left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so similarly I am able to find cos cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, that is called 2 sin a. You will get 2 sin a into sin b. Okay. Similarly, when you will have sin a plus b minus or plus sin a minus b, then you will have 2 sin cos b, 2 sin a cos b, and when you will have sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, then you will have 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b. Okay, boys, you have to memorize one thing, that in this situation we have to add minus. Okay, so that means cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 formulas are called product into sum, product into sum, product into sum. Okay, now we have to see sum into product, sum into product. Okay, in your syllabus there is nothing given that derivation of transformation, just formula has given, so you have to memorize the formula, and I'm telling you how to memorize this formula. Okay, now we have sum into product, sum into product, sum into product, sum into product. Okay, suppose I have a sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d. Okay, so see here, these are the these are in some form, some form. Now we have to convert this is into product form. So not sin c, just take first cos c plus cos d. Okay, so cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, this is nothing but 2 cos a plus c plus d, c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, but how can we memorize cos c plus cos d? And if I have a cos c minus cos d, then we have 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, and if I have a, okay, so just see here, 1 minute, copy, paste. Just see here, we have compound angle formula here. We have compound angle formula. Suppose if I have a cos c plus cos d, so I'm going to see this thing. Okay, this thing. Okay, just don't take c and d. Just don't take c and d. Okay. B by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay, Now, how it comes? See, if I have a cos A plus B, so I'm going to see this formula. I'm going to see this formula. And if I have a plus here, then I'm going to take the first combination. I'm going to take first combination. Okay. Now, if I have a cos A minus cos B, then the formula will be minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. Okay. See here, we have formula cos A minus cos B. Then I'm going to see this formula cos A minus B. And if I have a minus here, then I'm going to take second combination. So in second combination, I have a sine A into sine B. So here I took sine into sine. Okay. In first combination, we had the plus, then we took first combination. Okay. Now, if I have a sine A plus sine B, then I'm going to see the formula of sine A plus B, and since plus is exist here, so I'm going to take first combination. Okay, I'm going to take first combination. So the combination is sine A cos B. So our formula will be 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. And if I have a sine A minus sine B, then I'm going to see this formula. Okay. And here, since minus is here, then I'm going to take this combination. Okay. Now, so our formula will be 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. So these 8 formulas are there into transformation. That first formula, that is called product into sum, and the rest of 4 formula, that is called sum into product. So this is formula 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to memorize these 8 formula. So here you can see here, these 4 formula are called product into product. These 8 formulas are called product into sum, and these 4 formulas are called sum into product, and these product into sum and sum into product is called transformation. So you have to memorize these 8 formulas. And based on these 8 formulas, we are going to solve exercise 6e. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now we are going to solve exercise 6e. Okay. We are going to solve exercise 6e. Now here we have to prove that sine 50 minus sine 70 plus sine 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So let's get the solution. Okay. So in solution, given that in left hand side we have sine 50 minus sine 70 plus sine 10. Okay, sine 10. Now here we have, I can use sine A minus sine B formula. Okay, sine A minus sine B formula. What is the formula of sine A minus sine B? Okay, just see here, sine, I'm going to use this formula, sine C minus sine D formula. Okay, the formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. Okay, so the formula, just write the formula. So we have the formula sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. Okay, this is the formula. So I'm going to use the formula in between these two. Okay, this is nothing but minus. So this is sine c minus sine d. Okay, because we have sine 50 minus sine 70. So here we will have 2 cos 50 minus 70 by 2 into sine, sorry, this is plus 50 minus 70 by 2, and then the rest part is sine 10. Okay, so here we will have cos 120 by 2 into, that will be minus 20 by 2 plus sine 10. Okay, now cos 120 half 60 into sine, and minus 20 half minus 10 plus sine 20. I know the cos 60 values, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into sine minus 10 plus sine 10. Okay, now these two will get cancelled, and here we have minus sine 10 and plus sine 10. These two will get cancelled, so we will have 0. Okay, so this is the question. This is very easy question. This question can be asked for LAQ. So have you understood, Mr. Yahya, how we solve this question? Okay, now we are going to see the next formula. The next question is, see here, solution. Given that, we have to prove again. So in left hand side we have sine 70 minus cos 40. Okay, and here we have cos 50 minus sine 20. Okay, now we have the formula cos A plus cos B. We have formula cos A minus cos B, sine A plus sine B, sine A minus sine B. Okay, but here the combination is not such in a such a way that our formula has we derived. Okay, now we have to make this in that form, that is the form of formula. So here I am going to change sine into cos. So this should be in cos form. Okay, so I'm going to change this sine 90 minus 20 minus cos 40 and cos 50 minus sine 90 minus 70. Okay, now this can be sine 90 minus 20, that is nothing but cos 20 minus cos 40 and cos 50 minus cos 70. Okay, now here we are able to use the formula of cos C plus cos D. Just see the formula here, cos C plus cos D, that is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So we are going to use this formula. Okay, we are going to use this formula. Just first of all, write c minus d by 2. Okay, so here just apply the formula. So you will get, okay, here we have minus, we have minus, this is not a formula, so we have to use cos c minus cos d formula. Okay, so here cos c minus cos d formula, that is nothing but minus 2 sin c plus d into sin c minus d. Okay, now so here my get, so here we have minus 2 sin 20 minus 40 by 2 into sin, sorry, plus, and 20 minus 40 by 2, and again minus 2 sin 50 plus 70 by 2 into sin 50 minus 70 by 2. Okay, so just see here, these minus 2 will get cancelled, so we will have this sin 60 by 2 into sin minus 20 by 2 and sin 120 by 2 into sin minus 20 by 2. So these two things will get cancelled. So we will have sin 30 into sin 60. Okay, I know sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2. So these two things will get cancelled. So we will have 1 by 3. That is, we have to prove right hand side. Okay, okay, now just see the third question. The third question is solution. So given that in left hand side we have to prove, so cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175. So here I can use sin C and sin D formula. So I'm going to use, see here, the formula of sin C plus cos C plus cos D. So cos C plus cos D, that is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, so apply the formula here. Apply the formula here. 2 cos 55 plus 65 by 2 into cos 55 minus 65, or we can say 65 minus, 65 minus 55 by 2 plus cos 175. Okay, now we will have cos क्या कभी ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? Okay, we will have 2 cos 65, that is 120 by 2 into cos 10 by 2 plus cos 175. Okay, then we will have cos 60 into cos 5 plus cos 175. I know cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, and cos 5 plus cos 175. These two will get cancelled. So here we will have cos 5 plus cos 175. Now I am going to use again cos C plus cos D formula. Okay, so we will have 2 cos 5 plus 175 by 2 into cos 170 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so I am able to write 2 cos, that is 180 by 2 into cos 170 by 2. Okay, then 2 cos, that is 90 into cos 170 by 2. I know cos 90 value. Cos 90 value is nothing but 0. So if I am multiplying with 0 to any value, so it will give me a 0. That is right hand side. Right hand side. Okay. So this is the answer. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Solution. Solution. Okay. Now, it is given that left hand side 4 cos 66 plus sin 84. Sin 84. Okay. So we have to prove that this value is nothing but root 3 plus root 15. So here 4, I can use, I need to change sin 84. So I will be change, I'm going to change, that is sin 90 minus 6, 90 minus 6, then I will have cos 66 plus cos 6. Okay, now I am able to use the formula of cos C plus cos oh, cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D, that is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C plus D by, sorry, minus D by 2. Okay. C minus D by 2. Okay. Now I'm going to use here this formula, that is 4. So cos 4 as it is. So we will have 2 cos 4, 2, that is 72 half, that is 60 by 2. Okay. Now 4 to the 8, and here we will have cos 36 and into cos 60, that is cos 30, right? Now I know the value of 8 and cos 36 value. Cos 36 value is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4 into cos 30. Cos 30's value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now here I am going to write cos 36 is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4, and cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Okay. Now just simplify them. Okay. Once you simplify them, so you will get 8 into root 5 plus 1 into root 3 by 4 into 8, 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 4 into 2, 4 into 2, and then these two things will get cancelled. Then we will have root 5 plus 1 into root 3. Then we will have root 5 into root 3 plus root 3. That is nothing but root 15 plus root 3. Okay, this is the answer. Now we are going to see the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, so here solution given that left hand side cos 20 into cos 40, yes, minus sin 5 into sin 25. Okay. Now here we have to use product into sum formula. Okay. Now we know our product, it should be 2 cos A into cos B. I know the formula of 2 cos A, that is nothing but cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the formula, product into sum formula. And I know the formula, minus 2 sin A into sin B, that is called cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This is the formula. Okay. Now I am going to use this both formula here. So first formula, that is cos 20 plus 40 cos 40 minus 20. Okay. For that we have to, okay, okay, for that we have to make in that form. So I have to multiply with, divide and multiply with 2. Okay, so 2 cos 20 into 40 minus 2 sin 5 sin 25, 1 by 2, that is we can use cos 40 plus 20 plus cos 40 minus 20. Okay, so here I use this minus, and here we will have plus. So cos 25 plus 5 minus cos 25 minus 5. Okay, now just see here 1 by 2. So cos, that will be cos 60, and here cos 20 plus cos 30 minus cos 20. Okay, these two things will get cancelled. So here we will have cos 60 plus cos 30. Okay, 1 by 2, cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, and cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2, and here we will have 1 plus root 3 by 2, then answer will be 1 by 4, that is right hand side. Okay, now the rest of question we are going to solve in next class. So you may leave this class. Thank you.